Today is January 12th, a Saturday. It's a Saturday, right? Saturday, January 12th, 2024. I just woke up. Last night it was rough because I had to make a trip to Pyeongtaek where the USAG Humphreys is located, or Camp Humphreys, the American Army and Air Base. And we bought an 85-inch TV and got back pretty much late into the night, almost 11:30, so I was tired. I just woke up. Of course, I went to the bathroom twice. I'm going to read this article and go to my Saturday Chinese school. Yes, I go to Chinese school. The reason I'm trying to read this article, as I told you before, is to practice English and promote Stripe.com, baby, and also pick up knowledge about payment APIs. So here we go. This article is from Stripe.com, and the title is Payment APIs 101, what they are and how businesses use them. Last updated April 27th, 2023. Introduction. What does API stand for? What is an API? What is a payment API? How do payment APIs work? Which types of businesses use payment APIs? How to choose a payment API? How Stripe APIs support payments for businesses? You've probably heard the term API at some point in your business journey, but may have brushed it off as something that applies only to tech gurus and programmers. In fact, APIs make important tech knowledge accessible to a wide audience and can impact many areas of a business, including the way retailers accept payments. Here's how payment-specific APIs are changing the way customers shop and why you should familiarize yourself with them as your business grows. What's in the article? What does API stand for? API stands for Application Programming Interface. What is an API? APIs exist as an interface or go-between for two different pieces of software. They are a plug-and-play way for developers and site builders to use tech applications without needing to build the code themselves. By understanding which features are available as an API and implementing that API into an existing site or tech offering, developers can upgrade their work quickly and accurately instead of creating everything from scratch. Everything from scratch. That's another good cliche, right? Go back here. Instead of creating everything from scratch, from ground up, APIs let developers take advantage of features offered by brands or solutions they love, ensuring a more seamless integration and better results. In many cases, developers still have to do their own customizations to make an API work for their particular product or service. Additionally, API creators often provide support and education for developers, which helps ensure the API technology is used consistently across platforms and in the intended payment method. APIs are considered to be very reliable. In a 2020 survey, over half of IT professionals stated that APIs rarely break or malfunction and therefore do not pose a problem for businesses. What is a payment API? Payment APIs help online retailers manage payments. They offer consistency, security, and seamless integration with a variety of online businesses. They also reduce the burden of meeting meeting evolving regulatory compliance rules. Evolving regulatory compliance rules. Payment APIs may be offered by the payment processor or payment gateway, but the goal is the same: to make it easier for businesses to collect payments and for customers to complete purchases. APIs also help meet some of the security measures that allow customers to feel safe when making an online purchase, while also protecting payment processors and card companies against errors that may occur when developers create their own payment solutions or when customers mistype their financial information. Some payment APIs are free to use, while some charge processors businesses per transaction or bill using a subscription model. How the payment APIs work. A payment API connects a retailer's website with a payment processor used at checkout. It offers a direct connection to the payment network, eliminating the need to create payment functionality. Offering both one-time and recurring payments, APIs make it easier for customers to complete purchases and for businesses to scale. Here, scale, you encounter this word a lot. Scale, expand and shrink. Scale, large scale. And one-time and recurring payments. One-time. So I'm going to remember this expression right here. One-time and recurring payments and scale. Most payment APIs are highly customizable and can be used alongside payment APIs from other payment solutions and gateways. Retailers using payment APIs receive automated support for payments. For example, payment APIs can automatically verify that a customer's payment information is valid and up-to-date, detect and prevent fraudulent transactions, and provide real-time data on transaction status and payment history. This can help retailers streamline their payment processes, reduce errors and fraud, and provide a better overall customer experience. In addition to automated support, many payment APIs also offer customizable features that allow retailers to tailor their payment processing to their specific business needs, such as recurring billing or subscription payments. Payment APIs can also provide real-time reporting, which is useful in managing inventory and dealing with potentially fraudulent card payments. Using payment APIs can be as simple as pasting in a snippet of code, which can be customized by use case without installing additional libraries of code or additional software components. This is good expression. It summarizes, it differentiates APIs from other SDKs, other software programs. Using payment APIs can be as simple as pasting in a snippet of code, which can be customized by use case without installing additional libraries of code or additional software components. Without additional libraries of code or additional software components, right? Simple as a snippet of code in a snippet of code. Which types of businesses use payment APIs? All types of businesses can use payment APIs, but APIs are traditionally used by online retailers, including businesses that sell everything from beauty products to gaming apps. Some brick and mortar, that's another good expression, mom and pop shop, brick and mortar businesses, offline businesses that have physical shops. Some brick-and-mortar businesses that collect payments online may also use payment APIs. It's becoming more common for individual business owners such as freelancers and consultants to include payment APIs on their web properties to help clients make payments easily. Website companies often include payment APIs as an optional feature in their templates, so it's possible for a business or individual sole proprietor to use an API without realizing it. The plug-and-play possibilities of payment APIs give service providers, like website hosting companies, an easy way to offer payment services without having to spend resources developing their own solutions. Generally, anyone who wants to accept online payments is a potential payment API user. How to choose payment API? There are many payment API options to choose from. Doing your research can save you time and money and ensure you deploy an API that is compatible with the systems and technology you are already using. A solid payment API should offer the following: ongoing technical support, including support staff and well-written, frequently updated documentation and resource guides. API client libraries with cut and paste code in the most common programming languages to help you gear up quickly without spending a lot of time learning how the code works. Reliable uptime, so you don't have to worry about outages when you need payment services the most. Reliable uptime. Reliable and relevant updates when needed. Secure credentialing through API keys and other measures to protect access. Testing opportunities such as sandbox, so you can try out an API before you commit to using it on your site. Testing opportunities. Stripe payment APIs are built with modern financial and technical standards in mind, so you know you are getting all the benefits of payment APIs alongside access to a trusted and reliable network of services. How Stripe APIs support payments for businesses? Stripe's robust, that's another good word, Stripe's robust network is used by thousands of e-commerce sellers and businesses, many of which already use Stripe's payment APIs to keep transactions safe, secure, and simplified, even at scale. That's another good cliche, another idiom. Even at scale. Business to scale, even at scale. Robust. Stripe. So robust, many times robust is used alongside with scale, right? They go hand in hand. Stripe provides clear and detailed documentation for developers and site builders to support easy integration, testing, and customization. Creating a payment link with a Stripe Payment Links API is simple. 1. Create a custom payment page with the API, which can be translated automatically into over 30 languages based on your customer's browser settings. 2. Share a link to the Payment Links payment page through email, social media, or your website. 3. Receive payments from over 20 supported payment methods, including Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit cards, and debit cards. 4. Your customer will be directed to your custom checkout completion page where you can share additional information about their order and your business, as well as promotion and offers. 5. You will receive the custom checkout completion page. 5. You will receive the information about the order, including the method of payment, so you can make sure the payment has been processed completely before fulfilling it. Debits from banking accounts may take extra time, and customizing your checkout messaging to communicate this to customers is something you can do through the API. 6. Payment links can be activated and deactivated as needed. Any business using Stripe that already has a product catalog, no matter the size, can get started using the Stripe Payment Links API right away. Further support for developers can be found on Stripe's website. So from this article, it's good. APIs really make your card transactions easy, payment methods. From this article, I learned several expressions such as business to scale, robust, even at scale, checkout completion page, robust interoperability. What else? I forgot, man. What else? APIs. Payment method, one-off, one-time payment, one-time and recurring payments. Right? Well, that's just about it. I have to go to work now. Go to a Chinese class. So see you around tomorrow.